Hello fellow gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of vegetable gardening for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned plant lover or just starting out, this guide will help you grow a thriving garden. Let's get started. The first step to a successful vegetable garden is choosing the right location. Location is key. Your garden needs a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, has good soil, and is close to a water source. Let's break down these elements. Planting on higher ground is crucial. Higher ground helps with drainage, preventing water from pooling around your plants, which can lead to root rot and other issues. So, find a spot that's slightly elevated to ensure your garden stays healthy. Next, let's talk about water. Controlling your water is essential for your garden's success. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Make sure you have a reliable water source nearby, and consider using a drip irrigation system to keep your plants consistently hydrated. Did you know that sunlight affects soil temperature? Warm soil helps seeds germinate and plants grow faster. Make sure your garden spot gets plenty of sunlight to keep the soil warm and your plants happy. Finally, having a nearby water source is essential. Whether it's a garden hose, a rain barrel, or a watering can, make sure you can easily access water for your garden. Consistent watering is key to growing healthy vegetables. And there you have it. These tips will help you start your vegetable garden and keep it thriving. Remember, location, elevation, water, and sunlight are all crucial factors. Happy gardening! And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Follow us on social media for more updates. Happy gardening!